Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here with a brand new video. First of all, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. Open the link which you will find in the description. As you open the link, you can see the dashboard like this memho.io. Memho, we have various options in the header section like Manifesto, Roadmap, BS Scan, White Paper. I'll tell you about each and every option. Be with me till the end of the video and you will have the total info about Mimho. First of all, you can connect your wallet by clicking connect your wallet and it's done. Algorithmic sovereignty, where Web3 stops being a promise and becomes a system. Modular ecosystems, immutable governance and zero human interference. Right? You can join the pre-sale by clicking on pre-sale. You can buy it on PancakeSwap by clicking on pre-sale. You will be redirected to this page. The pre-sale module enables fair early access under strict on-chain rules, no hidden decisions, clear allocation, transparent flow. You can see the pre-sale rules by just clicking on it. You can also see the contract ID, tell you about it. You can join the pre-sale by clicking on open pre-sale. It's not responding. I don't know why, but let us refresh it again. Okay. No problem, no problem. Before buying, get to know our ecosystem. You can join our official social channels. You can join our official social channels like GitHub. Here is our GitHub channel, Mimho ecosystem, Mimho-co. You can get the data from right here. What is the repo in English, quest to repository, official links, and official documents on GitHub. You can join our Telegram as well, Community Mimho. You can join us on WhatsApp by just clicking on WhatsApp. You can join us on X, Twitter. You can join us on Twitter. Right here you can see to get latest updates about Mimho. You can join our YouTube as well as Instagram, TikTok, Discord, as well. You can join us on Facebook to get latest updates about Mimho. Right, let me close these tabs for you. Okay, after that, pre-sale countdown opens on April 6, 2026. The pre-sale will start in 24 days, 19 hours and 3 minutes. Official token contract on BSC is right here. Copy the contract address and you will be redirected to BSC scan. Copy the contract address, paste it right here and click enter. When we can see the overview of coin token tracker BEP20 Mimho contract created 2 days ago. Right, you can see it on BS scan as well. Verified sources, registered linking, immutable supply. Here is the live feed on chain plus system signals of Mimho M Mars telemetry. Right, online best effective events like you can see it right here. Live price pulses. It's not live yet, so there's no live price pulses right here. A lightweight market spawn shot, full chat and on-chain proof on the live page. Mimho registry, governance Mimho DAO, assets Mimho token, marketplace Mimho marketplace, voting controller, liquidity bootstrapper, Mimho trading activity, events hub, Mimho staking, Mimho burn, Mimho quiz, Mimho locker, Mimho vesting, pre-venda, airdrop, strategy hub, Mimho mart, Mimho inject, Mimho holder distribution and social impact, which is coming soon. Adoption program, adopt a little Martin and help real animals through partnered NGOs and shelters. Here is the Mimho Daily Insights. Insight number one, the end of pure speculation. 2026 is rewarding infrastructure, transparency, and real on-chain governance. So here is ignition, expansion, interseller. Goal is 1 billion market cap of Mimho. Global Web3 sovereignty and multi-chain expansions via Mimho Labs, cross-chain integrations, expand Mimho ecosystem to 3 plus major blockchains, enterprise partnerships, onboard 5 plus large scale corporate Web3 projects. If you have any question, click on the question and you will get the answer. Here is the contact at mimho.com.br. Hope you understand the video. Also, you have a live chat bot right here. Enter your query, click send, and it will answer you right away. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.